going on these digs and they're trying to find these fossils, what do they have to use? Jade?
Tools.
What kind of tools?
Special tools.
Special tools. Why can't I just take a big old shovel out there and dig everything up? What might happen, Noah?
Because you might break the fossil.
You might break the fossils. We learned that they are very, very fragile. What kind of places do we find fossils? What kind of landforms? Kenneth, we talked about a couple.
Grasslands.
Grasslands. In water. That was one of your questions. Can fossils form underwater?
Yeah.
Yeah. What happens? How do they form?
Oh, they died. Because they died in the water.
They die in the water.
And
They
then,
sink down. And what happens?
and then the sand layers over
They
it.
all layer over it.
In the sand.
And all that water and sand does what?
Pushes.
Pushes down in it. It doesn't create the fossil.
It turns into rock.
It turns into a rock. There you go. What activity did you already do about fossils? What kind of fossil did you make?
We got the putty and like squish. Dinosaurs and bugs.
Did you do an amber fossil, a cast fossil, a mold fossil?
Mold
You did a mold fossil. And we used dinosaurs and bugs to make mold fossils. So you've kind of been a paleontologist already, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Today is the big paleontologist day of the week. You are going to dig for fossils.
Yes.
Okay? You are going to use special tools. Let me introduce you to your tools.
Yes. Whoa. Toothpicks.
Toothpicks? These are not toothpicks. These are paleontologist tools. These are paleontologist tools. I would like to introduce you to your fossils. Okay? Are you ready to see your fossils? Now, I need you to remember one thing. When we are doing a science experiment, we use all of our senses except one. What's the one sense? Don't use taste. Not always. Only when I give you permission. I'm not giving you permission today. You may use sight, sound, smell, and touch. No taste today. Okay? All right. Here is your fossil. Now, some people have looked at it and mistakenly thought that it was a chocolate chip cookie. But it's okay. It's not a chocolate chip cookie. It's really a piece of rock. Okay? And inside this rock, there are fossils. Do you see the fossils?
Oh, yeah.
What color are the fossils?
Brown.
They're brown and black. What are those fossils?
Chocolate chip.
Chocolate chips. We have to use our imaginations. Can you use your imagination?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to challenge you to dig out as many fossils as you can today.
Okay.
Now, some of those fossils are itty bitty. Some are big chunks. You may only use your special paleontologist tools. We'll pick it up in a second. If you think you can do this challenge, raise your hand. Okay. Can I eat it?
No.
I can't eat my rock. Can I use my pencil to dig around?
No.
Can I use scissors to cut it?
No.
What are the only things I can use?
Toothpicks.
Can only use my paleontologist tools. I'm going to lay a cookie on your table. You're not going to touch it yet. You're going to use your sight first. That's your first sense. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, it really helps me if your hands are off the table. Anika, I'm going to lay yours right there, okay? You pick up my rock that fell. Seigal made a giant mess, as usual. There you go. There you go. Ah, Isaiah decided to use his sense of smell. Again with the hands. Aaron. Whoops, sorry, Ben.
Eat it. I don't care about this thing. I want cookies.
Let's see. I'm gonna put yours right here. Thank you.
It's gonna be cold.
You gonna eat yours up here? All right, take a look at your rock. Tell me what you notice.
It has chocolate all around.
Has chocolate all around it?
It's hard.
Okay. Noah says it's hard.
It has buns.
It has some texture.
It is pretty hard. If you smell it, it smells like cookie.
It smells like cookie dough. Why do you think it smells like cookie dough? Because it's a cookie. All right, my little paleontologist. Let me tell you what's going to happen after this experiment. That way you can be thinking about it while we do it. I'm going to have you journal your experience as a paleontologist. What was it like? What did you do? What did you learn? Okay? We're not eating our cookies. We're not eating cookies.
Well, I can't. Definitely not.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
You know what you're thinking about? Somebody tell me what you're thinking about.
Cookie. Really hard.
What 3 questions did I just say you were going to be journaling about? Lily, what's one of them? Oh.
What it was like?
What being a paleontologist was like. Haley, are you listening? Mason?
What do you experience?
What do you experience? And Noah?
What did you learn?
What did you learn? You got those 3 questions in your head?
Yeah.
Okay, let me pass your tools out. And we will get to digging for fossils. If you would, please make a pile very carefully because these are fragile. Your fossils will break if you're not careful.
Yeah, because they're fossils. You mean melt?
No, I mean break. On the side next to where your cookie rock is, I'm going to have you make a pile of your fossils. Okay? Karen almost gave you a bunch. Yes, you get 2 to start digging your fossils. Once you have it, you may start.
I didn't. I got one, but it broke.
Thank you, T.
It's saying that because we can't. It looks like Buddy.
Digging tools. Yes, ma'am, Miss Caitlin. I will give you a rock to dig We're not eating the cookie in your cup. Yes, you have 2 digging tools. You may begin.
I got one. I got one.